Hello and welcome to Home Equity Protection Services, your #1 home equity protection service provider. Yes, we can protect up to 100% of the out-of-pocket costs and equitable investments you make in your home. Home equity protection has been available in the U.S. since 1978. Had Americans protected their home's equity prior to the 2008 housing market crash, they would have been completely protected from loss of their home equity investments and home improvement costs to foreclosures, seizures, evictions, bankruptcy, and bad credit, to name a few. Consider this fact. Right now, the out-of-pocket costs you've invested in your home's down payment, home improvements, maintenance, and repairs is completely unprotected. It doesn't matter if you've just purchased a new home, second home, or a home you already own. For just a few pennies on the dollar, we can protect up to 100% of your investments. But even better than that, once your home's equity is protected through one of our select programs, it is protected for as long as you own your home at no additional cost. We even offer a 100% money-back guarantee, leaving nothing to chance. So, pick up the phone and give us a call today at 1-800-225-1965 and find out how we can protect you and your family's future for pennies on the dollar. Don't forget to take a few minutes to visit our website at www.utsclaims.com to review our home equity protection programs. Thanks for stopping by.